Do you often forget to water the flowers and the plants in your yard? Do you think the garden has taken you too much time and energy? Do you want to automatically water the flowers and the plants in your yard and to be completely liberated? Using Saswell Smart Water Timer can allow you to free your hands, automatically water the flowers and the plants in your yard at regular and quantitative intervals. The Saswell Smart Water Timer not only sets an intelligent, smart program schedule according to your specific needs and waters periodically and automatically, but also can be remotely controlled by Alexa or Google Assistant working with 2-Yard Smart app and waters plants anytime and anywhere. The Saswell Smart Water Timer is convenient and practical, and also the installation is very simple. Let's see how to install it. Firstly, I'm gonna show you how to install the battery. Open the battery slide cover and then remove the battery compartment. Put the 2 AA battery to the compartment. After install the battery cover, pay attention to the downward direction and finish the installation. Then we screw the hose connector at the bottom of the timer. We can install the water pipe to the hose connector. The top of the smart water timer is used to connect the faucet. But for European standard products, we need to connect the adapter. Screw the adapter to the top of the timer. The installation was finished. After the installation, let's take a look how Saswell Smart Water Timer be remotely controlled. Firstly, download the 2-Yard Smart app. Finish the registration and login. Enter the home interface of the app. Click the plus in the upper right corner. Click the list bar Gateway Control. Select Wireless Gateway Zigbee in the right device list. Enter your Wi-Fi account and password. Click Confirm. Click Next. Please make sure the gateway's red light is blinking fast. If not, long press the top button of the timer for 5 seconds. Wait for a few seconds, then the red light will blink fast. Make sure the red light is blinking fast. Click Next. Wait a few seconds until the search progress is 100%. Click Done. It means the gateway added successfully. Click plus to enter the device list. Long press the power button for 3 seconds. Then you will see during powering, the water timer indicator light flashes red and green alternately. Search the device, then click Done. It means the timer added successfully. Thanks for your attention to Saswell. If you have any other questions, please contact us through the following ways.